Testing, testing. Are we on? Welcome to a new show where you're gonna be following myself, my team, as we scour the San Francisco Bay Area looking for deals. Hey, motherfucker! That's a six-figure flip. Let's go. So now I know he's crazy. Is that it? We're making this show to show you, the audience, that flipping isn't hard. And if you do it and follow our systems and our procedures, you're gonna make a whole lot of money. And ultimately, guys, I'm not the smartest person in the room, but if I can do it, so can you. So buckle up as you follow me, Ray, and Brandon on this show, Flip to Riches. Station, I don't know what that is.
Just a BART.
Oh, perfect. You got the BART station. Dude.
It's by the railroad tracks though, so it's a little ghetto, but it's like not too bad.
This is definitely a $500,000 neighborhood though.
Yeah, that's true.
I can feel it. It looks good. So right now we're on our way to Pittsburgh, California, because I got a call from a realtor who says, Brian, I got a potential deal for you. It's 300-ish thousand. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, kind of right up our alley.
You find this? How'd you hear about this?
My friend on Instagram is the realtor.
Hey, for sale?
She just hit me up and said if I want to buy it. Man, the neighborhood was okay. You know, is it a neighborhood that I would live in? Probably not.
Honestly, for Pittsburgh, I was a bit scared going in. It was my first one, but I put all my faith into Brian and Brandon to kind of guide me through it.
Did you run out of range driving here? Just keep recording. I got another comment about Tesla. You got the AC blasting, feels pretty good. What's up with all these locks? So the reason why we were whispering in that house was because we had to be respectful of the tenant. Now, typically we're not always filming, and because there was a camera on site, I wanted to make sure we weren't disrupting anything. I didn't want to disturb them. Why? Because when you buy a property with tenants, you want to be as cooperative as possible. You want to make sure that they're actually going to leave on good terms, so that when they do leave, they don't trash the property, they don't destroy the house, because that's going to eat into your profit. Yo, they just growing marijuana. That's marijuana. Oh, it is. They literally just growing marijuana right outside the backyard. If we keep it, we might be able to just pay the mortgage with it. Man, it's cash flowing already. Now, I've bought a lot of properties. I've bought houses that were burnt down. I've bought hoarder houses. I've even bought houses that used to be old grow houses. And how do you know? Well, there's holes in the walls for all the ducts, all the piping. But I've never bought a house where there were actually drugs still on the premises. And it's a first for everything, guys. And so, you know what? You just never know what you're gonna get when you're buying these flips.
What you thinking? I think we can make some money off this property. I think it's got some cash flowing plants in the back, if not the rent.
Backyard. So some of my trapper homies, can you guys tell me if this is good or is it trash? If things work out, Brandon's gonna take the weed and he's gonna be the one selling it. Why? Because you know me, I don't touch anything that's illegal. You know, if anybody's gonna go to jail, it's gonna be Brandon.
I'm a salesman. Whatever we need to get sold, we're gonna get it sold.
Don't worry, his uncle got his back. I'll get him right back on his feet.
It's a maybe. It's a maybe. We gotta beat him up on the price a little bit.
Good potential, definitely. Bathroom work, it's a lot more than we thought. Well, I was thinking like 20 grand in.
I'll make it, this will be 20 grand.
This is?
30 grand. All right, let's go back, let's go.
The purchase, I didn't think at first it was a good purchase because it just looked like to be honest. So I wasn't feeling good about it, but Brian and Brandon kind of backed it up and said it was a good deal. So I believed them.
So I think they're at like what, 330 right now?
No, we were at 350.
350?
I was telling you I could get them down to 330, yeah.
Okay.
For you, I would get them down to 330.
Let me get on a call with him right away, and then let me get back to you ASAP.
Okay.
All right, I'll get back to you like the next 10 minutes. Got to channel the energy. We're stuck in traffic. We're on the bridge. You guys remember the Pittsburgh deal? That's where we're going right now. Now, do we have to go there because we're using the free model? No. But it's actually kind of fun and it's going to make great content. I promised you guys we would bring you guys along, and they're going to do just that.
So we ended up buying the property for $330,000, and I actually got a credit from the seller because the tenants left a little bit more garbage than they were supposed to. That's a huge win, because where are you gonna buy a 3-bedroom, 2-bath house in the Bay Area?
Now, normally we'd be looking for more deals, but I don't know, it's kind of fun and it's Ray's first deal, so we gotta go touch it. And then we gotta make sure we send a video back to our investor so that he knows that things are happening, that we aren't messing around and we're not playing with his money. His money is being hard at work.
We don't play with anybody's money.
That's right. If we take your money, we are gonna be using it wisely. We don't commingle funds. We're gonna give you a good return, and we're gonna go get in more projects. Let's go. All right, guys, we're over here in Pittsburgh. It's 91 degrees, but there's no sun, which is good for us because it's not so hot. But they started to work on the exterior. Let's see what they got done. Can't go inside because there's still one more guy in there. He's leaving September 1st. But, let's see. All right, they did some real demoing right here. The weed plants are all gone. So, baby, we're legitimate now.
Damn it, Brandon. He's just so sad the weed plant was gone. He was really excited to cut, dry, and sell the weed.
Were you really sad when all the weed was gone?
Not really. The weed never looked that great to start with anyway. They would have had me picking it in the heat.
With all the junk out of the way, it's a lot bigger. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. No big plans. Again, tight budget. We're not gonna do too much. So most of the budget went into demoing the sheds. We're gonna just leave this as is. We're probably gonna just put some gravel back there so that it's flat, it's even. That's it, baby. I told you the budget's only like 50, 60 grand, so we can't do too much. Out of the comps in the neighborhood, they don't really do much here. You know, don't expect a swimming pool. Don't expect trees and plants and shrubs back here. No. This is a $500,000 flip. We don't put that here. Let's go.
So when you're flipping properties, you gotta be very careful where you spend your money. So for that particular one, the yard was massive and we left it all dirt. Why? Because spending that extra $4,000 to $6,000 on landscaping, on fake grass or real grass or turf, whatever it is, will not get us more money. Why? Because the neighborhood is only selling for $500,000. Now that may sound like a lot, but $500,000 in Pittsburgh, it will only get so much. So that's why we said, look, we'd rather take the budget and spend it more on the kitchen and bathroom than blow it on the yard.
Garage door actually needs to become a garage. Got the tennis thing out right here. Patch it up. Put an actual garage motor in.
Looks like someone made a home here.
Company that we're using is accountable. They said they were gonna do something and they did it. So I'm glad to see that all the sheds are gone. They're probably gonna come back tomorrow and haul everything away. And I think they said they're gonna start the roof this week. So very successful. We'll probably check in on this one maybe every other week or something like that. Maybe ask for progress pics. But super happy, man. Let's get out of Pittsburgh.
Push it to the limit, I can't go no more. Red light, no way, I'm coming back home. Long dirt road, all on my own. I'ma be the greatest.
Let's go. Let's go. Oh, they got rid of the carpet. Let's go. Dude, this place is looking like $1 million.
You've seen the house before. You guys see it now. We're rocking, guys. We got all the junk out. We got all the tenants out. We got the work started. The walls are patched. It's looking pretty good.
How did you end up getting that tenant out?
Oh, man. So there was 3 tenants. The son of the seller, he left. That was in the agreement. The old man, also very nice, he was willing to leave. It was the big guy we had to worry about. The guy was like 400 pounds, hyperventilating. He was like, oh my God, I don't know where I'm gonna go. I don't have any money. Where are we gonna go? Now look, I don't like touching people because I don't know where they've been. But I looked them in the eye and I put my presence on them like this. And I said, look here. I believe you have the strength for what's next. I believe that you are destined for great things, and I believe that this is all a part of a new chapter. And I calmed him down because Brandon and Ray, they had ran. I was outside chilling, but Brandon and Ray were inside the house with them, and they were like, oh my God, he's gonna eat me up. And I said, back up, Brandon. You see, the thing about me, guys, is that when things hit the fan, you want me on your side. And that's what I do. I came in there and I calmed him down. I kid you not. The whole time I was talking to him, he had his shirt off. Put that shirt on, went outside, drank some water from the hose, got his hair, he did this, and he left. And he said, I'm gonna get my stuff and I'm gonna find a place. And he left. I kid you not.
Oh God.
Rather than being confrontational, you gotta be uplifting, you gotta be helpful, and you gotta inspire. And that day I inspired him. Ray and Brandon ran away, but not me. I'm here to help.
Brian did go up to this guy. He dropped the Jesus card, the faith card, and he did talk to him. He put his hand on his shoulder even, and he comforted him.
He thinks he's some kind of pastor or something. Reality, I was sitting there, he's like, biblical phrase 6a out of the Bible. I'm like, this guy's never read the Bible in his life before. He's going off about God this, God that.
So some of the neighbors told us that the house may or may not have bed bugs. It is, I don't know, it's not confirmed yet, but just to be safe, for the safety of our future buyers and for the safety of our crew, we bought like 8 of these things. We about to launch it in there. Fire in the hole. Remove or cover, expose food. There's no food. Shake well before use. Keep containers upright. How does it work? I just press down? Well, let's shake it, baby. Shake it, shake it, shake it. Yeah, let's go. Shake it, guys.
That's decent.
All right, Ray, do your thing.
Not too bad. Just like the professionals do.
Shake it, 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 shake it. Smell that?
Doesn't smell like
Smells like money. Ah, shit!
Away from your face.
Get the fuck out of here. Let's go, let's go. Stand it up. It goes up. You just set it up.
Yeah, just set it up. Get one in there and then
Let me tell you something about Brandon. See, Brandon's a very smart guy, but sometimes he does dumb stuff. Brandon is actually a lawyer. Brandon went to law school. That means he read a lot of books. That means he took a lot of tests. He passed, but he couldn't read the instructions. And the instruction of the cans say to put it upright, away. He clicks a button and he throws it in the room like a grenade. Come on, Brandon. We out! Ah! Yeah. Oh, it got your hand?
Yeah.
Oh no, Ray! Oh
PJ
no!
pissed on his hand.
Now go to the neighbors. Your finger's about to fall off.
You just never know what your day is gonna be like when you're flipping homes. One day you're just looking at a computer, analyzing deals. The next day you're dealing with tenants and you're dealing with bed bugs and all the other hoarders and rats and mouse poops and stray cats. You know, it's an exciting line of work. And I'm just happy to be able to do it with my buddy Brandon and my buddy Ray. And it's honestly so much fun. It's good, it's good, it's good. Whew, good job. Ray
Affected.
Ray almost lost a finger, guys. Ray almost lost a finger.
Oh shoot, guys. Pittsburgh is finally done. Let's take you guys in. Let's show you guys what it looks like now. And the staging should be impeccable and it'll be on the market in 2 days. Let's go.
It was kind of a far drive, but we didn't have to go there that much. So I would say overall, it went pretty well. And we got a good net profit out of it.
Overall, I think we did good, even though the market kind of switched up on us. We walked away and we made something good and everyone's happy.
expecting to make, I think, $100,000 on this flip. We ended up only making $50,000. But when you factor that $50,000 into the time it took us, you know, to go there and work on it, I probably spent 12 hours to make $50,000. So you tell me, 12 hours, 50,000, that's a big win, guys. That's a big win. Let's go.
It definitely made it more real for me. Like, I can do this. This can happen, and change my mindset completely.
I hope you guys liked the episode from beginning, middle, and end, showing you guys what the property looked like before, what it looked like in the middle, and what it looked like all done. Guys, I'm here to show you that you can flip properties too. You don't need to have a PhD, you don't need to have a lot of money. You can be just like me, just good looking, closing deals. Now, stay tuned because we got Project Skyline in the next episode, and we got Project Gateway. We got a whole bunch of new episodes doing the exact same thing. I hope you guys like it. Do me a favor, hit the subscribe button, hit the comment section. If you want to do deals with me, slide in my DMs. Make sure you follow me on my other platforms, on Instagram, on TikTok. I'm there to connect with you guys. Peace.
We have another 12 days to hit the market.
So tell that agent, give us a counter on paper.